Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today we will learn how to create a scattered plot with three variables using Microsoft Excel 365. For this tutorial, we are working with a product list with their cost, sales, and profits. Let's get started. In this method, we will use a bubble chart to display the relationship between three numerical variables in a single plot. First, select the range containing the three numerical values. We will select from cell B2 to D6. Now go to the Insert tab. In the Chart section, click on Insert Scattered or Bubble Chart drop-down. Under Scatter, you can choose a standard scatter plot, but for this tutorial, I'll go with the bubble chart. Excel instantly creates a bubble chart where the x-axis shows the cost, the y-axis shows the sales, and the bubble size represents the profit margin. Now let's customize this chart. First, click on any bubble to select the data series. Right-click and select Add Data Labels. Now let's format the chart. Right-click on any label and select Format Data Labels. This opens up Format Data Labels panel. Inside the Label options, under Label Contents, check on Value from Cells. This opens up Data Label Range dialog box. In the Input field, select the product range from cell A2 to A6. Click OK. After that, back in the panel, unselect Y value and scroll all the way down. Under Label Position, select Center. Now let's change the chart title to Product Performance. Next, to customize the axis and bubbles, click on either axis data, then right-click and select Format Axis. In the Format Axis panel, under Axis Options, in Bounds, we will set the perimeters. Let's set the minimum value to 20 and the maximum value to 220. Once that's done, click on any bubbles. This opens up Format Data Series panel. In the panel, select the fill and the line icon. In the fill, select Solid Fill. Back in the chart, click the Chart Elements button. Uncheck the grid lines and check the axis titles. This lets us add the labels. Click on the vertical axis. Let's name it to Sales. Let's do the same for the horizontal axis. Let's name this to Cost. And there you have it. Our bubble chart now clearly communicates three dimensions of data, with each product labeled and the chart formatted for clarity. And this concludes our lesson. Download the workbook link below to practice these techniques. Visit Excel Insider for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials. Feel free to comment your questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.